My bird, shine.
Well, I got a bag. I put it in. I just thought
Shine.
maybe you
There
needed
you
like,
are.
we don't really have nowhere to put it, but like something to add it. His mama, Chad's mama, was saying something about that we needed to like maybe get like a space bag and stick it in one of those.
Shane, you're so cute.
He was upset because he was like, he was about 15-20 minutes
Measure,
late to the wedding.
measure,
because
measure.
traffic was so
Measure.
bad, and
Measure.
the wedding chapel was way up on the mountain. And
Gotta put my shoes on. Going outside, go see the kitties. Oh yeah, and just to remind y'all, I'm gonna start doing 2 videos one day, so this will be the second video, and I think I'll maybe just do one tomorrow because I really don't feel like doing 2 every day. Let's go see the cats. Oh wow, there I am on the porch. Okay. One is named Garfield. Garfield, where is he? Oh no, guys. They're playing basketball out there, probably. Oh, here's my dog, so. Yo, Dolly, you're tough. There's Tough. There's Dolly. Yo, Dolly, you're tough. Don't lick it. Oh, here's the. She always dumps her bowl over. Yo, Molly. Molly. Look at all that big thing she drinks. It takes them like 2 weeks just to feed. Where is freaking God? Oh, Gage and them are here. Gage and Hunter. Those 2 people. Like, Gage Rage. So if you see, he's a, kind of chubby, not being mean, but he's kind of chubby. And he's short. He's kind of like my age, my height, kind of. And you can see I'm really not that tall. And I never will be, probably. Okay, where are they? It's hard to see on my phone because the sun. Our mission is to find one of the cats. Well, I tell y'all a joke right now, What do you call a fish that... Okay, what do you call a fish that gets back raised? Oh, crap, I forgot it. Maybe I'll remember it, because I can't remember. It was something about fish getting back raised. And the end was like because it was below sea. Oh yeah, why did the fish get back raised? Because it was below sea level. Yeah, it's... Okay. I'm not gonna do this video long, only because I gotta go play. And they always ask me, hey, why don't you come play with us? And I'm like, dude, you're gay. And they always start running after me. Everybody start running after me. And I'm not gonna say you're gay in front of all them. They'll all be like running after me. Oh crap, there's Luke. Yo, Molly. Molly. Okay, I think one of them's over here in the pool area. Yeah, I think they are. Garfield the cat always sleeps in the chairs. So, oh yeah, and there's my playhouse all the way out there. It's broken now. We always play zombies. That's my little brother Bryce. That's my little brother Bryce, dude. He is like the worst. I'm not kidding. He messes up everything. We brought the PS3 at our house, and you know, Advanced Warfare is 17 now. And our mama is so calm. She's like, my brother, he's like, I want to play. And then our mama is like, it's a 17 up. And none of our brothers are 17 up. But even little kids play it. I mean, I don't care playing it. I don't see anything wrong with it. But if you're 7 years old like him, man, you shouldn't be playing it 10 more years until you're 17. At least be like at least 6 more years younger, like me. But you met my bird Mason. He's like the best bird, really. Sorry. Oh, I can't see that. Oh, crap. Oh, yeah, let's go back inside. Okay, let's go back inside. Whoa. And none of my cats are inside only because my dad is asleep, so we are lucky. And yeah, okay, let's go inside. I won't have this video for long.
Nobody can come in now.
I know. Hey, Amy. And then here, it's a dangerous place. There's a new dog in town. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, we got those. I don't know when. Whoa, magic fingers. And this sweaty guy. How do you turn this thing on? Ow. Oh, crap. Sit. 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 He's a traitor. Oh, sit down. There you go. Traitor. And go to sleep. And go to sleep. He's like, lay me back up, traitors. Oh, he's done. Okay. Measure. Mason. Man, you're playing basketball. Let's go play some basketball. Yeah. Well, guys. Well, this was really just about seeing how my day was going, you know. After I should be making a video ever. Oh, guys. Okay, you finally get to see Garfield. There you go, right there. You can't really see him. How you gonna see him? Garfield! Garfield! Freaking kitty. You can see him barely. No, not. He's just one of them. He's lazy. He never would ever talk to you. But okay, that's really the end of the video. But this was just how the day is going, and it's going pretty good. And And I'll only make 3 videos a day if it's like a really good day. So today, if it's a really good day, like we go out to eat or something like that, yeah, I'll probably I'll turn on, and if we go to McDonald's or something, I'll show you what we do. And make sure you like or subscribe, anything. I mean, leave a comment if you like these videos. And yep, okay, that's it. And bye-bye.